I don't know, babe, but seriously, why are you getting boxing gloves, Matthew? My kids want to go crazy people. Where is he going? Let me see.
Let me see. Turn it my way. I can't see. It's so white.
I guess they think I got time playing games. Because it's cool. Why he got boxing gloves on? I don't know. You better not bet.
When are you starting?
I'm recording y'all already.
Okay, YouTube, we back with another video. Today, my name is G.
Malachi.
Matthew.
And today, we playing in the snow.
Oh.
Wow. Oh my goodness. That's too stupid.
There you